As you continue experimenting, remember the fundamentals. Good prompt engineering is key to guiding your agents effectively. Always review outputs, whether it's summaries or code, and treat your agent like a capable but inexperienced assistant that still needs supervision. Be mindful of costs as your agents grow more complex. Use caching to reduce redundant API calls, leverage local models where possible, and balance performance with efficiency by mixing smaller and larger models depending on the task. Now let's talk motivation. You've stepped into a cutting-edge area of AI where a single developer can build autonomous agents from home using open-source tools. That's a huge achievement. Whether you apply your agents to automate daily tasks, manage data, or even control hardware, the possibilities are endless. This series was just the beginning. Dive deeper into areas that excite you, whether it's task planning frameworks like React or creating custom tools for your agents. Stay engaged with the open-source community, watch for updates, and keep building. Thank you for joining me on this AI agent journey. With free tools, creativity, and curiosity, you have the power to create AI solutions that once seemed impossible. Keep experimenting, have fun, and who knows, your next project could be a game changer. Good luck and happy coding!